Data science is a booming field with high demand for skilled professionals. This video guides beginners on 5 free university courses to kickstart their career in data science. If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel ITFO. Harvard's Introduction to Data Science with Python course starts with programming fundamentals in Python. It also covers Python data science libraries, machine learning models, and their applications. MIT's Introduction to Computational Thinking and Data Science covers optimization problems, stochastic thinking, and data clustering. It provides an understanding of essential statistics concepts for data science. Stanford's Statistical Learning teaches about different machine learning algorithms. This course uses practical exercises in R or Python and explores topics like linear regression, model selection, and support vector machines. MIT's Topics in Mathematics of Data Science delves into advanced math concepts related to data science. It covers dimensionality reduction, spectral clustering, and approximation algorithms. Harvard's Data Science, Machine Learning helps solidify understanding of machine learning basics, cross-validation, and regularization techniques. It provides practical application of these concepts in building a recommender system. With these courses from top universities like Harvard, MIT, and Stanford, beginners can gain a comprehensive understanding of data science from programming to machine learning algorithms. Happy learning!